Yo, what's going on, guys? It is Monday, March 15th, early in the morning, and I wanted to showcase all the LED lights on my 2014 Honda Accord V6 sedan touring model. So here are the LED headlights. Those two lights are LEDs, and that's kind of limited to the touring model. The other ones have projector beam headlights, and there's a lower little strip of LED that runs during the day for daytime running lights. Go to the other side here. And then the fog lights, I didn't change them yet. They're just halogens, but you could replace those with LEDs also, which I'm going to do in the future. So moving on into the interior, I did replace the map lights, the dome map lights, with LEDs. Close the door. And then the door lights here. Basically, you just pop a little panel there. You can replace that very easily. That was up and down pretty nicely, right? And then also there's a LED right here. It's a blue LED, and it kind of gives a nice little blue tint to around the gear shift area and where the water bottles go. It's kind of nice. So I'll show the other parts of the car. Okay, so the rear door does not have lights in them, unfortunately. Not sure why, but I did replace the dome light there. Here's a shot of the interior from the back. The tail lights are also LEDs, and I'm assuming that the brake lights are also. And then the license plate lights, LEDs, which light up the ground kind of nicely. And there you can see a better shot of the LED tail lights. And in the trunk, I did replace this. I popped that little panel out, replaced the LED there. Really simple. Gives a nice white LED look to the trunk. Again, these rear doors do not have LEDs. Just a shot of the interior from the back. Again, the door light LED. And then I'll put on the left signal, the show you the LED turn signal mirror light. So yeah, pretty cool. It's a nice little add-on. I do this at every single car I've done. I did it with the WRX, the Audi A4, and it just gives a nice professional look to the interior. It's a very nice sophisticated look. Sorry, it's early in the morning, 3:16 in the morning to be exact, so my speech is a little bit messed up. So that's about it. Just want to show you. Again, there's the LED blue light, which gives a nice blue tint, which you can sometimes see depending on the lighting inside. So that's about it. So thanks for watching, and I just wanted to show you all the LEDs in the interior. And then also there's these visor mirrors here, which you could also change, which I have not, because I don't have the light bulb for it, but those are just halogens right now, but you can also change those, which is my next thing in the list too. I just need to get the light bulbs. I think there are two little skinnier light bulbs that go on each side. So that's about it. Everything else is LEDs, which I already showed. So let's see. Yeah, I think that's everything. So thanks for watching. At least I'm signing out. And oh, I'm also gonna go for a drive and show you how the LED headlights light up the road. So stay tuned for that. So that's next. Okay, so I was trying to look for a dark spot, but all these roads are pretty lit up pretty well, but some areas where there's no lights, you can kind of see how the headlights have a nice kind of a xenon glow. So let me get up ahead, see if there's a little bit more darkness to show things better. it's got a nice glow to it. And then putting on the brights, it doesn't really, there we go. It doesn't really look good because the brights are just halogens. And then putting on the fog lights, again, it makes a little bit side brightness, but just halogens, so it doesn't look all that good. So just wanted to show a quick little video. But yeah, it looks really good depending on how dark the road is. And if you have like some white lines in the road, it kind of gives that nice xenon look to it. So maybe you can kind of see the reflections in the signs that it kind of gives. But yeah, it's pretty decent, and they're really good. I mean, my Audi A4 also had xenon headlights, but I think these look a lot better for some reason. They lit up the road a lot better. So I think my Audi was an older vehicle, but I just thought I'd show it to you. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. So I do have a K tuner coming in for this car, so that's going to allow me to do tunes. There's, I think, basically you could add a higher octane gas. Normally this car takes 87 octane fuel, but you could add a 93 octane. You could raise or lower the VTEC limit where it kicks in. You could raise the red line. You could do all kinds of things. So I'm going to be doing those kind of things when that comes in, which will be here later in the middle of the week. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. This is Rick signing out, and I'll see you guys around. Peace out.